Hello and welcome. Are you missing important WhatsApp messages because notifications aren't showing up on your phone? Whether it's a message, call, alert, or group chat, having WhatsApp notifications working properly is essential to stay connected in real time. In this step-by-step guide, we'll go through all the settings and fixes you can try to make sure WhatsApp notifications show up correctly. Let's get started. Step 1. Check phone notification settings. Go to Settings on your phone, scroll down and tap Notifications. Click App Notification, find WhatsApp in the list and tap it. Make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. Lock screen, banner, pop-up options are all enabled. Step 2. Enable notifications in WhatsApp app. Open the WhatsApp app. Tap the three dots icon on the top right corner. Tap Settings and select Notifications. Make sure the following are turned on: message notifications, group notifications, call notifications. Set notification tone to something audible. Enable vibrate if desired, and use high priority notification. Step 3. Allow WhatsApp to run in background. Long press the WhatsApp icon, tap App Info. Then tap Battery. Choose Unrestricted or Optimized. Step 5. Clear app cache if needed. Long press the WhatsApp icon, tap App Info. Tap Storage and tap Clear Cache. Don't worry, your chats won't be deleted. With these steps, you should now be receiving notifications from WhatsApp exactly when messages come in. No more missed chats or calls. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.